Hey everybody, this is my best of 2020. Well, sort of. See, what happened was I never decided to save videos because I record everything through my iPhone. And I'm telling you, just one video takes up almost all my storage. So as I do videos, I have to delete them whenever I upload it. So I did not save much of anything. So I have stuff saved. I went on YouTube and screen recorded old videos. So the quality of this video is not going to be the best. I'm sorry, it's not in 4K or 1080, but it's the best I could do. Screen recording drops the quality down, but this is the best of what I could find. And I hope y'all enjoy, and 2021 is going to be even better. We have some plans to go to Busco, maybe go to the mountains, but y'all just stay tuned. I hope you enjoy the videos. If there's anything you want to see, or if you want some stickers, yeah, guys, I got some stickers. Hopefully the person who's doing it will have them done by the beginning of the year. They were swamped like everybody else with November and then Christmas, and everybody trying to buy stickers. So hopefully I'll have them in January. If you want any stickers, comment on the bottom of this, and I will get you some. Well, guys, I hope you enjoy. That's one thing I always had. It's up to my no-no squeal. I didn't realize it was this thing. I didn't touch the end. Ah, shoot. My phone just got beat to hell. You gotta put your hand in there.
I'm trying. Let me get in there.
Jonna's trying to woo the deal so she can stab it and take it home with her.
I'm Snow White.
Send it, Waylon, send it!
You bottomed. You back up. You can't make it. Well, maybe you can. I don't know. Back up, go the way I went, because you're teeter-totter right in the middle. Skip. Got to flip already.
We just sideways, we just sideways.
Let me hear your yeet. What is going on with you, boo? Okay. Now just ease it.
We have ran into some complications.
Okay, ease it. Straighten your wheel. Straighten your wheel.